Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Connexus Credit Union, detailed guide step by step clearly. Understanding how to budget effectively is essential for financial health. The first step is to gather all your financial information. This includes your income, expenses, and any savings or debt. Next, identify your total monthly income. This should include salaries, bonuses, and any side gigs. Now, list out all your monthly expenses. Categorize them into fixed expenses, like rent or mortgage, and variable expenses, like groceries and entertainment. Calculate the sum of your fixed expenses first. Then, add your variable expenses to get a complete picture. Once you have your total expenses, subtract this from your total income. This will give you your net income, which is what's left after all expenses. If your expenses exceed your income, it's time to prioritize. Identify needs versus wants to make informed cuts to your budget. Now, create a budget plan using these figures. Consider using budgeting tools or apps recommended by Connexus Credit Union. Allocate a specific amount for each category based on your needs. Make sure to include a category for savings. Building an emergency fund is vital to avoid future financial stress. Review your budget after a month to see how well it aligns with your spending. Adjust categories as needed based on your expenditures. Consistently tracking your income and expenses will help you stay on course. Set goals for financial milestones, like paying off debt or saving for a trip. Regularly revisit your budget to ensure it reflects any changes in your financial situation. Remember, budgeting is an ongoing process, not a one-time task. With commitment and a clear plan, budgeting can lead to greater financial stability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.